Hi guys, welcome to Wild Style. This is Angela. My microphone that I picked up yet again wasn't working, so I'm going to voice this one over again. But I got this bird feeder on sale at our local Baumgars, so I was pretty excited to try it. I want to put these
Yeah, we
pennies
just
on
need
the
pennies
roof,
and
so I
just
have
the
one of my kids
shiny.
helping me sort out pennies.
Shiniest pennies you
She's
can
trying
find.
to find the shiniest pennies that we have so that we can put those on the roof of the bird feeder. And this bird feeder, it's kind of more of a gazebo style, but I'm hoping that by putting the pennies on the top, it will both make it shiny, which I'm hoping will attract the birds to come to it. And then it will also, I'm hoping make it a little bit heavier as the weight of those coins weighs it down. So our other bird feeder that we had kept blowing off in the wind. 60-mile-an-hour winds are fairly common for us here, and it just kept blowing my bird feeder off the hook. So I wanted to try and see if this will A, make it a little bit heavier, and B, I really like the look of it. I was hoping that by putting the pennies on the top, it would actually protect it from some of the rain and wind that would come through here. But now that I'm looking at the pennies and the way this roof is actually designed, I'm not going to be able to cover it 100% with the pennies. So I don't know if it'll help with protection as much as I thought, but that's okay. My favorite craft glue that I'm going to use today comes in this green and yellow tube. It's called Duco Cement. And it's a really good glue. It's great. I use it in most of my craft projects. I get it on Amazon. Sometimes it only comes in a 6-pack, but that's okay with me because I use it for all kinds of things. So I'm just going to glue one side of the penny and stick it on where I want the penny to be. Okay, and there it is done, guys. I think that roof turned out beautiful. I love that look. That's so fun. It is quite a bit heavier with those pennies on there, so that did make a difference. And it looks great. I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching.